Tailor Brands Trademark Registration Walkthrough. Thinking of protecting your brand name or logo? Here's how to register a trademark with Tailor Brands in just a few steps. Log into your Tailor Brands account. From your dashboard, go to the Trademark section. Click Start your trademark application. Enter your business name or logo you'd like to trademark. Select your industry and product type to define your business category. Fill in your contact or ownership info. Tailor Brands will then perform a trademark search to check for potential conflicts. If all looks good, proceed to submit your application for review. The application is then handled by Tailor Brands trademark partner attorneys who take it through official registration process with the USPTO. Track your application status directly from your dashboard. And that's it.